Good evening, folks. Tonight I'm going to show you how to relatively easily send your development work to multiple websites, multiple web servers at the same time. Let's get started. So, Phpstorm has this wonderful feature in its deployment called server groups. Let's take a look at that. If you go into your settings for the Windows, it's Control-Alt-S as in Sam, or you can go to File and Options Settings. This again. There we go. Go down to Deployment, and you'll see right here the server group. Now I have two local installations of Joomla right now. One is Joomla's test configuration. The other one is my own website that I want to see how this template looks. So when I make a change, it uploads to both of those servers at the same time. They have their own content, their own database configuration, but yet it's the same template code, so I can see how they look on two different sites. Now we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to add one more server to this group. This time I'm going to make it an FTP server, so I can have it go up to my my server that's actually out on the web. Okay, so we choose FTP. We'll call it acorn-allhome. Okay, http://acorn.us. Okay, so you need an FTP user. So go into your cPanel, create a user. Here I'm going to make one specifically for Phpstorm. All right, and then tell it what directory you're at. There it is. And we want that to be unlimited. We create. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's got it. That's what you needed to know. So come back into Phpstorm. User. Phpstorm at home.us. And password. Okay, so the host will be ftp.home.us. Test your connection. That says that part's fine. Now let's go in there and let's pick where we want it to go. Okay, now you go ahead and do auto detect, but make sure that you're where you want to be. This looks fine. But I want to come in here to templates. That's the only place I want it to go. Okay, show process files. Going to apply that. Okay, now here's the important part, your mappings. We told it here that it was templates acorn. When we go to mappings, it says acorn.home.us templates acorn is where it's going to put everything. So that's fine, okay? So we just leave that like that. That's great. Next one is exclude. There's lots of things in there I don't want it to include. So let's go ahead and show it what I don't want. So, gotta go find my template. Here it is. So I don't want the releases folder to go up there. I don't want my CSS to go up there. I don't want either of my Git files to go up there. There's the other one. And lastly, I don't want my build file to go up there. That's simply not needed. Okay. There you go. Now, when we hit OK, any file change that we make, let's go down here to, oh, let's just go here, get a new file, hello world.txt, hit save, connecting. Now let's go see if it did its job. So we're going to go here, go up here to Acorn, scroll down, templates, Acorn. There it is, hello world.txt. That's all it takes. Everything happens automatic. Now I've got 3 websites, 3 different formats, articles, content that all show how my template's working. I know for sure that it's doing exactly what I want it to do. Hope that's helpful. Have a good night.